Most people use only a fraction of what their Android phone can actually do. The real power is locked away under something called developer options, a hidden feature most beginners don't even know exists. Today, I'll not only show you how to enable and disable it step by step, but also reveal why these settings can turn you from an everyday user into a total power user. By the end of this video, you'll also understand why these settings exist and how they can completely change how you use your phone. But first, let's unlock the secret menu. Grab your phone and follow along. Step 1 is to open your Settings app. You know, that little gear icon every Android phone has. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find About Phone or About Device. Every Android version might look slightly different, but the option will always be there. Tap it. Inside About Phone, look for something called Build Number. On some phones, you'll find it under Software Information. If you can't see it right away, there is a simple workaround. Just go back to the top of the Settings page and use the search bar. Type in Build Number and it should pop up. Now, tap on Build Number exactly 7 times. Not 5, not 6. Exactly 7 times. As you tap, you'll see a countdown message like, "You're 4 steps away from being a developer." Keep going until your phone says, "You are now a developer." Congratulations, you've just unlocked developer options. To open these settings, go back to the main settings screen. You'll either find developer options under System, or you can simply type developer options into the search bar. Now, what if you want to turn them off? Easy. Open developer options and toggle the switch at the top to off. The entire menu will disappear, just like it was never there. So why even bother with developer options? Here's where it gets interesting. There's a common misconception that developer options are dangerous or complicated. In reality, they're safe as long as changes are made thoughtfully. One standout feature is the ability to speed up the phone's animations by lowering the animation scale to 0.5x, creating a snappier and more responsive experience. Knowing how to enable and disable these settings turns what once felt like a secret tool into a simple way to take control of the device. So, there you go. You've just gone from beginner to someone who knows how to unlock one of Android's best hidden features. Don't be afraid to explore these settings, just take it slow and only change what you understand. Have you ever used developer options before? If yes, what's your favorite feature? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about how people use these tools. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe because I've got plenty of Android secrets coming your way.